Throughout the last century of Rusyn development, there has been a need to formulate the exact boundaries of the Rusyn nation. This map here was an early try, and later maps from Moguchi followed a similar pattern. These, however, have never been completely satisfying in all regards. What is the deal with Hutsuls? Why include western Boykovina but not eastern Boykovina? The Rusyn settlements in the mountains of modern Hungary have also long been ignored. The new Rusyn Decade provides an answer to this question based on intensive study and examination of the facts. The totality of Carpathian Rus can be seen here in this map, divided into three parts. The most important part of this map is in the beige color, otherwise known as the Heartland. It is a combination of the three areas of Pryashiv Rus, Lemkovyna, and Subcarpathian Rus. This is where Rusyn identity is the strongest, and where the majority of historical Rusyn figures have come from. The Periphery in green is an area that encompasses the mountainous areas north and east of Subcarpathian Rus. This place in particular is the home of the Boykos and Hutsuls, peoples who formed from similar migrations as the Rusyns in the west had from the Vlach law. Their connection to Rusyns in general can be greater examined in a whole book of its own, but for now, understand that these communities are split between the ideas of being Rusyn or Ukrainian, and have been for a while. With the more north and east you go, the more Ukrainophile it is. The southern settler lands, in purple, are a group of villages formed by Rusyns that migrated from Pryashiv Rus and Lemkovyna into the inner regions of Hungary starting in the 16th and 17th centuries. While most have completely assimilated and now see themselves as Hungarians, many do know their past, and the remnants of it still remain. A large percentage of the descendants of these settlers still follow Greek Catholicism, and the town of Komloshka in the Tokaj region continues to identify as Rusyn. With this three-division map, we can now better philosophically understand our nation and how to move forward as a people. For more information, be sure to read the new Rusyn Decade.